Hi, I'm Marna, and we went to the garage sale on Friday. There weren't many. Well, it had rained, and actually it was raining for part of it. But we found like 4 or 5 garage sales. I was kind of surprised, but we were hoping for more. Anyway, I did get a few things, and kind of fun things. I found a Revlon hair straightener that I'll be using for dolls. What I like is it has the high and low setting, and you always use it on low for doll hair, or you just burn their hair right out. This is adorable. I've said before, we live on the Katy Trail and I decorate with bicycles. We also have some train things because it's a rails to trails trail, and I decorate for St. Patrick's probably more than most people decorate for Christmas. And I love this. It's called Crinkle Claws, and evidently it is a thing, a collectible thing, but I just wanted this one. I think it's cute. I found a Baby Alive bottle and this doll at a garage sale, and I paid $1 for both, and I would have paid more for her because am I keeping her as this doll? I'm not. I am going to rob her of her outfit, her jewelry, and her shoes and stand. I know that sounds bad, but these dolls are landing in landfills, and there's just no sense for her outfit to go. I might also take her wig. I haven't decided yet. I'm still looking at it. But what I want to do is strip her down and then take her back to the thrift store with a note, craft doll, because somebody will buy this doll. She has beautiful eyelashes. And remove her makeup and practice on her. And they will also make her clothes. She will become something else. Rather than a porcelain doll, she'll become a craft doll. But that's all I found on Friday. So Saturday morning we woke up and it was a more beautiful day. It's really lovely out. And I thought, let's go see if there's any more garage sales, because sometimes people only have them on Saturdays. So I found this little guy for free. I just thought it was really cute for my American girls. They could do something with that or not. And another garage sale, they had some doll stuff. I got these. These were marked 50 cents, these little shoes. I think these will fit my American girls. They are from a or it looks like these are from a porcelain doll, and they had different ones. Are those the only ones I got? I guess they are. And they had these little hats, and the gal came over when I was looking at this stuff and said, you know, a lot of this stuff isn't priced, and we will take offers, you know, if there's something you want. So I went over and I said, would you take $1 for all of it? And she said, yes. So I got all of this for $1. And then we started talking about dolls, and they had a lot of porcelain dolls. So after I had the shoes and the hats in a bag and had already paid for them, we were kind of talking, and I said, how much do you want for your porcelain dolls? And the one gal hollered for another, and she came, they asked her, and she said, oh, how about $4 for all of them? And I thought, the stands are worth $4 for all of them. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stands and 9 dolls. And then I said, would you throw in the rest of the shoes? They have these shoes. These don't match, but I got them anyway, and I'm going to put them up, and who knows what I'll find later. But these clothes will probably fit my ball jointed doll. They're going to need cleaned up, and that's going to be kind of fun trying to do that. There are shoes here. Some are good, some are iffy. But a lot of them have necklaces, and I thought I saw some earrings. I'm wondering if this outfit won't fit my American girls, my 18-inch girls, just for fun. So I got quite a bit for $5. The porcelain dolls, if you see them in the thrift stores and the garage sales and such, ask how much they want for them, because you might be very surprised. And a lot of dolls are used for parts, and that's basically what I'm going to do. I'm going to, take their outfits and their shoes and perhaps their wigs and reuse all of that before they can be used for craft dolls, or if they go into the landfill, at least the clothing and some of the wigs won't. A lot of these dolls in thrift stores I see month after month after month after month. So I don't feel too bad about it. Feel sorry for them. But that's the way it's going to be. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe and let me know if you part dolls out.